Okay, so yeah, here's this.
on social media.
Oh God, bro. What is wrong with you? Okay, well, this cool dude, me, I decided to do a roof raise last year, and I recorded everything, but it was just too much to edit and put all together at once. So here's all the stuff. I did finish it for the most part. Here's a bunch of do's and don'ts, and I'm gonna take you on the journey. And look at this fly, dumb fuck. Oh God, dude. Hard lessons.
Yeah,
Okay.
bitches. Yeah, bitches.
Fucking moron, dude. Here we go.
And
Oh, it was brought. Mm. The angle grinder and I, we became best friends. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I'm cutting all the metal out. There's a bunch of extra metal just tacked in throughout the bus between all the ribs and everything else. So I had to cut that out. And then I cut all the way around. And push the roof up. That was the plan. Here we go. Dude. God. Ah. Dude. Bruh. Dude. Ah. Man, oh man. Okay.